ngayon, thank God it's Saturday. Dito kami sa neighborhood, walking with Fambam. Wala lang si Bella kasi medyo late gumising. 1 p.m. pero malamig yung weather. So medyo gloomy weather ngayon. So dito lang kami sa neighborhood. We just had our lunch and yun, walking muna. Pababa ng kinain. And so hindi kasi kami makalabas ngayon kasi on call ako sa work this weekend. So pag on call ako sa work, so anytime pwedeng may tumawag pag may major incident escalations and ako yung tatawagan, and pag may tumawag I have to go online and support the incident, kaya hindi ako makalabas. So ngayong weekend or the entire week dito lang kami sa sa malapit lumalabas. So para anytime pag may tumawag after office hours, pwede akong mag-online. So yan, 15 degrees 1 p.m. medyo gloomy yung weather. Sarap ng weather, sarap mag lakad-lakad. So, ayan guys, no? Later at 8:30 p.m. Saturday, semi-final games against Brazil. So, pumasok tayo sa Olympics qualifying tournament semi-finals kasi we beat Latvia, and then we just lost by 2 points Georgia. So that means pasok tayo sa semi-finals match against world number 12 Brazil later at 8:30 p.m. So, mataas ang hopes ko na we can beat Brazil, although it will be against odds kasi world number 12 sa ranking ang Brazil. And knowing na medyo American style yung gameplay ng Brazil, they rely on athleticism. So medyo will be against all odds later. Pero still, I'm hoping na somehow ma-break natin yung record. So kasi we beat Latvia, and world number 6 sa ranking ang Latvia. So who knows, no? Knowing na number 12 lang ang Brazil, so mataas yung chance kahit papaano na bilog ang bola, may chance na manalo. Hopefully, fingers crossed. So abangan natin later sa mga basketball fanatics. Maganda yung balik na naman tayo sa world map ng basketball after entering semifinals sa Olympics qualifying tournament. Ayan, kasama natin si My Labs and si Tam walking around the neighborhood. Yeah, gloomy weather. So merong malapit na park dito sa amin, Mary Carroll Park. Wala lang, lang siya, bush. Groceries kami dito sa Woolworths. Kuha tayong golden kiwi.
Golden ba to?
Kuha tayong avocado. $6 bunch, one bunch. Kuha tayo ng isang bread. $4.90. Ayan, I have a sweet tooth. I can't resist yung mga sweets na cookies like this. Subukan natin. Cookie 5-pack. How much to? $2.80 lang. Ayan.
Apple. No added sugar. Ayan o.
Hanap tayo ng coffee beans kung Merong sale. Ayun yung mga red tag. Naka-less yan. 24% off. Tayo ng full cream milk. Ito na lang.
Masarap na. Sabi ni Bella, di daw masarap masyado to. Salt and bean. Ano ba na?
Ayan, drumstick. Ayan. Tapos na kami. We're done. Dito na kami sa self-checkout. Ayan. So, yung groceries namin, super tipid lang for 4 persons. 223. Super tipid lang yan. Budget meal. So, good for 1 week. $223 for 4 persons. We're done with the groceries. We're going home.